Hello viewers, every day we meet questions. Whenever we want to talk, whenever we want to ask, we sometimes use questions. So today we want to do question particles that we are often use in ndebele. Question particles in isiNdebele. Where, ngaphi, ngaphi. When, nini, nini. How, njani, njani. Why, ngani, ngani. How much, yimalini, yimalini. What are you doing, wenzani, wenzani. How is it going, uhamba kanjani.